Wildfires move fast, and so should our response. Meet FireWatch, an AI-powered tool built on IBM and NASA's Prithvi-EO foundation model to detect and map wildfire damage in seconds. FireWatch provides a simple, geospatial native interface. Just upload your 6-band HLS satellite imagery, set your detection threshold, and let the AI do the rest. Inside, we use a hybrid engine, spectral analysis combined with deep learning embeddings from Prithvi-EO 2.0. This ensures high accuracy even with clouds or seasonal changes. We don't just give you a mask, we provide high-contrast pink and purple overlays for visibility on dark backgrounds, and automated red bounding boxes for rapid cluster identification. Export your results directly as GeoTIFFs, preserving all geospatial metadata for use in QGIS or ArcGIS. FireWatch is open source and CPU optimized. Visit the repository on GitHub to get started today.